Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Sadia Zafar and today I will discuss about the protected areas of Pakistan. What is protected area? An area of land and or sea especially dedicated to the protection and maintenance of biological diversity and of natural and associated cultural resources and managed through the legal or other effective means. Or protected areas can also be defined as a clearly defined geographical space recognized, dedicated, and managed through the legal or other effective means to achieve the long-term conservation of nature with associated ecosystem services and cultural values. Generally, protected areas are understood to be those in which human occupation or at least the exploitation of resources is limited. Protected areas are essential for biodiversity conservation, often providing the habitat and protection from hunting for threatened and endangered species. In Pakistan, protected areas are of four types: national parks, wildlife sanctuary, game reserves, and community controlled hunting areas. There are IUCN categories. The IUCN category 1A is for the strict nature reserve and the IUCN category 1B is for the wilderness area and IUCN category 2 is for national parks and IUCN category 3 is for natural monuments. While the IUCN category 4 is about the wildlife sanctuaries and IUCN category 5 is protected landscapes or seascapes and IUCN category 6 is about the managed resources protected areas. And there are some unclassified protected areas and overall total IUCN categories have total 157 sites. Types of protected areas in Pakistan. There are major four types of the protected areas in Pakistan. Total 29 national parks, 99 wildlife sanctuaries and 102 game reserves and total 76 community controlled hunting areas are present in Pakistan. This table is representing the overall protected areas found in Pakistan. In Azad Jammu Kashmir, the 1 national park and 8 game reserves and total 9 protected areas are present. And in Balochistan, 2 national parks, 15 wildlife sanctuaries, 7 game reserves, 7 unclassified protected areas and total 31 protected areas are present in Balochistan. In Punjab, 2 national parks, 37 wildlife sanctuaries, 19 game reserves and total 58 protected areas are present in Punjab. While in NWFP, 3 national parks, 6 wildlife sanctuaries, 38 game reserves, 5 unclassified areas and 52 total protected areas are present in NWFP. And in Sindh, 1 national park, 35 wildlife sanctuaries, 14 game reserves, 4 unclassified areas and total 54 protected areas are present. In federal, 1 national park, 1 wildlife sanctuary, 1 game reserve and total 3 protected areas are present. In northern areas, 4 national parks, 5 wildlife sanctuaries, 9 game reserves and total 18 protected areas are present. And overall in Pakistan, total 14 national parks, 99 wildlife sanctuaries, 96 game reserves, and 16 unclassified areas are present, and overall total 225 protected areas are present in Pakistan that occupies the 9170121 hectares, that is the 10.4% of total land area protected. National parks, according to modern protected area legislation, a national park is protected area set aside by the government for the protection and conservation of its outstanding um, wildlife or other biodiversity protection. The plant has 29 protected areas known as national parks. Only some of these are under the conservation scope of IUCN. A national park shall be accessible to public for recreation, education, and research, subject to such restrictions and free as government may impose. Following are the major national parks of the Pakistan: the Central Karakoram National Park, Dosai National Park, Kithar National Park, Lal Sohanra National Park, Hingol National Park, Hazar Ganji Chiltan National Park, Margla Hills National Park, Ajubia National Park, Machiara National Park, Chitral Gol National Park, and Khuncherab National Parks. Prohibited acts in national parks: hunting, trapping, shooting, killing, and capturing of wildlife or other animals are prohibited in national parks. Firing of the guns, burning or destroying or removal of plants, clearing of land for cultivation or construction, like construction of the roads, railway lines, or other constructions are not allowed, and surface mining, polluting waters flowing through the national parks are strictly prohibited. Aims and purpose of establishing the national parks. The primary purpose of national park is to protect the national wonders and wildlife located within these environments. For a variety of living things, they provide safe home for native plants and animals. We coexist with all these creatures on this planet, so we must do our best to protect them for our enjoyment and health. National parks are places for natural beauty. Many people have fun bushwalking, camping, or having a picnic enjoying the view and taking the fresh air. Central Karakoram National Park. It is the largest national park of the Pakistan, located in Gilgit-Baltistan. It was declared a national park in 1993. It covers an area of 1390100 hectare. Dosai National Park, it spread over an area of 358,400 hectare. It was established in 1993 to conserve the endangered Himalayan brown bear. Dosai Plains are home to snow leopard, red fox, golden marmot, wolf, Ladakh oriole, Himalayan musk deer. Kithar National Park, it is found in 1974. It stretches over an area of 308,733 hectares. It is situated in Kithar mountain range, southwest of Sindh. It is the third largest national park of Pakistan and the first Pakistan's national park to be included in IUCN list of national parks. Lal Sohanra National Park, is also one of the largest national parks of South Asia. It is situated in Bhavalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. It is spread over an area of 162,568 acres. It was established in 1972 for the conservation of native flora and fauna of Cholistan, particularly the black bug, chinkara, bluebells, and other animals. It is notable for the diversity of its landscape, which include the area of desert, forest, and wetland. It is also a biosphere reserve in Afghanistan. Hangol National Park that covers 165,004 hectare and is located along the Makran coast, Balochistan. Hazarganji Chiltan National Park that covers the area 15,555 hectare and located in Quetta, Balochistan. It was established in 1980 to provide the refuge to endangered Chiltan wild goat or markhor. Markla Hills National Park. This park is located in foothills of Himalayan range. It was established in 1980 that covers an area of 17,386 hectare. This park was set up to provide the refuge to grey gharial, barking deer, and leopard. Wildlife of Markla Hills National Park. It is a home to 600 plant species, 250 birds varieties, including the white-cheeked bulbul, yellow-vented bulbul, paradise fly catcher, cheer, pheasant, larks, golden oriole. 38 mammals, including the grey gharial, rhesus, macaque, yellow-throated martin, fruit bats, 13 reptile species, including the Himalayan pit viper, saw-scaled viper, and Russell viper. Ajubia National Park. It is a small national park in the Murray Hills with an area of 3312 hectare. It consists entirely of reserve forest, including the pine forest covering the hills and providing the shelter to large and smaller mammals. The park was established to provide the refuge to leopard and black bear. Ajubia National Park is a major recreation area visited by large numbers of local tourists, mostly from Islamabad and Ahmedabad. Machiara National Park that covers the area 33438 acres and is located in Neelam Valley, Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir. It was established in 1996. It is one of the few sites where a breeding population of the western Tragopan pheasant exists. It is one of the most significant pheasants in the world. Chitral National Park that covers 7750 hectare and located in the land of Kafir Clash and beautiful Gold Valley, Chitral surrounded by snow-clad mountains and pine trees. Punjab National Park that covers 226,913 hectare and located along the Karakoram Highway, Gilgit, Gilgit-Baltistan at a height of over 4,000 meters near the Punjab Pass, Pakistan. It was established in 1975 since the population of Marco Polo sheep was declining at alarming rate at that time. Brogil National Park that covers 134,744 hectares and was established in 2010. The valley is 31st highest lake in the world and comprise of more than 30 lakes, smaller and bigger. The valley is rich of flora, having 93 species of higher plants. The Chitral Gold National Park that covers the 7750 hectare and was established in 1984. The highest number of the Kashmir markhor are present in Pakistan. 15 mammal species, 173 bird species, 13 reptile species and 3 amphibian species are present there. Lalusar Dobipad National Park that was established in 2003 and covers 30,387 hectares and has the 47 bird species and 6 mammal species. Saiful Maluk National Park that covers 4868 hectares and was established in 2003 that had 51 bird species and 6 mammal species. Ajubia National Park that covers 3312 hectares and was established in 1984 that has 757 vascular plant species, 31 mammal species, 203 bird species, 16 reptile species, 3 amphibian species and 650 insect species. Sheikh Buddin National Park that established in 1999 and covers 15540 hectares. Game reserves are large areas of land where wild animals live safely or are hunted in a controlled way for sport. The government may declare any area to be game reserve where hunting of wild animals shall not be allowed, except under the special permits. In Pakistan, there are 102 game reserves. Mainly are the Head Kadrabad Game Reserve and Machiara Game Reserve. Wildlife Sanctuary. A wildlife sanctuary is an area set aside as an undisturbed breeding ground where the public access restricted or regulated beyond the national parks and game reserves. Public access, settlement, grazing by domestic livestock such as the activities of prohibited in wildlife sanctuaries. Hunting is strictly prohibited in these areas. The main objective of wildlife sanctuary is to protect the flora and fauna from extinction. At present, there are 99 wildlife sanctuaries in Pakistan. 66 officially recognized by and up to the standards of International Union for Conservation of Nature, that is the IUCN. Wildlife sanctuaries of the Pakistan. There are major wildlife sanctuaries that are present in Pakistan, including Astore, Baltistan, Bajwat, Cholistan Wildlife Sanctuary, Chashme-Anton Sabraj Dolphin Sanctuary, Chambi Surla Hub Dam, Lari Nature Park, Naltar Nara Desert, and Run of Kutch. Astor Baltistan Wildlife Sanctuaries covering 800 square kilometer total area. These areas are on the north side of Astor Valley in Gilgit-Baltistan, east of Nanga Parbat, on either side of Indus. They are prominent for being conservationist spots for the endangered Astor markhor in addition to endangered snow leopard, brown bear, and lynx. Bajwat Wildlife Sanctuaries that covers 5,400 hectares and is located in Sialkot district. It provides the protection for waterfowls and variety of mammals including the hawk deer and nilgai. The scientists have recorded 110 species of birds on this site, and the most common are species of family Motacillidae. Cholistan Wildlife Sanctuary, Cholistan Desert, Punjab, an area of about 6,533 square kilometer has been declared as wildlife sanctuary inside the desert. Some of the rare animals of this region are desert wolf, Indian fox, red fox, Saker falcon, black-backed vulture, and saw-scaled viper. Chashme and Sabraj Dolphin Sanctuary. It is located in Miawali district, Punjab, Pakistan. It was declared open to public in 1972. Since the 1970s, the population of Indus River dolphin has significantly increased there. Chambi Surla Wildlife Sanctuary. It is the wildlife sanctuary covering an area of 55945 acre. It is located in Kushab district and Chukwal district, Punjab, Pakistan. It was established in 1978 for the purpose of conserving the threatened species of Urial. Nara District Wildlife Sanctuary. The Nara Desert provide the refuge to a large number of wildlife in Sindh province. The Nara Canal area is known to be of great importance for wintering waterfowl and other wildlife. The largest population of Magar crocodile in Pakistan is found there. Run of Kutch Wildlife Sanctuary. The Run of Kutch Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Badin district. It was declared as wildlife sanctuary by Sindh government in Pakistan in 1980. The area is known to be a breeding ground for flamingos and staging ground for pelicans, cranes, storks, and many species of waterfowl. Protected forest. The protected areas serve the purpose of conserving the forest and wildlife of Pakistan. The natural protected forest, including the Birbir Valley coniferous forest that is found in the Chitral and the Jangar scrub forest in Chakwal district and Suleiman coniferous forest in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Ziarat juniper forest in Ziarat district. artificial resource managed forest, the Changamanga forest in Lahore district, the Cheetah Watni plantation in Sahiwal district, and Khipro Reserve Forest in Sangar district. So this is all about the protected areas of Pakistan. There are some references, and thank you so much for your attention.